Good day, Katiktik. This is Samsung M12 and the problem is Google account. So I'm gonna show you how to bypass using Chimera tool. So first you need to turn off and I'm gonna show you the test point of this cell phone. You need to disassemble the back cover in order for you to test point. So here is the test point. Just connect the 2 points using tweezer. Yeah. So model number of the Samsung M12 is M127F. So two types of M12. The other one is M125. In this case, we're gonna bypass the M127F. So that's also M12 Samsung. So gonna turn off first. And again, you need to disassemble the back cover of this phone and disconnect the battery into the terminal, and then we're gonna open our Chimera tool and then test point, then connect your Type-C data cable. So your Type-C data cable is being connected to your PC or laptop. Now short the 2 points using tweezer and then connect the Type-C USB data cable. So as soon it was connected to the Chimera tool, so connect also the battery into the battery terminal. So our tool is processing now, and there is Chimera logo or icon in phone display the screen. Now click FRP screen lock, then click FRP remove. But wait, there's a problem, USB connection error. So maybe there is a problem about the charging board or charging pin. Again, we will try. Oh, still USB connect communication error. So maybe there's a problem about the USB data cable or the charging board. Now let's find out. But it's connected. The tool is detected as EUV mode, but the problem is we cannot remove the FRP because of that error, USB communication error. So we will try again. I'll try to disconnect. So I try to disconnect all battery and test point again. It's because of that USB communication error. I don't know what's the problem, but it's maybe the cord or the tool. So again, I disconnect the battery and test point again. So we'll try until I will find out what's the problem, why USB communication is error. So if you having this error, after this video you know what is the problem, how to fix that problem. So now I'm gonna fully turn on the phone. If not, I'm gonna fully turn on the phone. So we'll try to test point again until it connect as EUV mode. So now it's connected again, FRP screen lock, and then click FRP remove, and now it's still USB communication error. So that is the problem. Okay, remove the battery, and we will try to open fully on our Samsung M12. We're gonna fully on.
Bigyan mo ni Marcel, baka upay ako tayo.
We will wait for a while. I need to verify if it is connected. Now the phone is fully open, but still it has a FRP or Google account. We will try to find out what's the problem, why USB communication is error. So what I do is need to wait. So now it's asking for FRP or Google account to enter. So as what I have said, still asking FRP or Google account. Now my problem is USB communication error. Error ang USB. USB is error. So you see it's asking password and Google account or FRP. So what I'm gonna do is I close the Chimera tool and open again. So turn off again your phone, fully turn off, and we will open the Chimera tool again. We will sign in again. So maybe the tool has the problem why USB communication has error. So our phone is fully turned off, and we gonna sign in again the Chimera tool. After sign in, we gonna test quit again our M12 Samsung. So here, remove again the battery and then connect the 2 points for test points. And as soon as the phone connected, connect also the battery into the battery terminal. Now let's do connect the battery. So after that, same process. So connect to FRP screen lock, then remove FRP. So now remove FRP is successfully completed. Now your phone is automatically open. So it takes 2 to 5 minutes to open. Now set up the phone. Set up your phone in order you can go to the home screen. You do not need to connect any Wi-Fi. If there is SIM card, try to remove your SIM card. So again, if this video will help you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So the problem is the tool. You need to restart the tool. If there's a USB communication error, you need only to restart your Chimera tool in order to fix the error of USB communication. So that's it. I hope this video will help you. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is Lervans and this is your Cutting Tick